How to share screen on Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Teams application. Now, log into your account. After that, what you will have to do is initiate a video call or a video conference. Now go to Meet. Now simply start meeting. After that, what you will have to do in order to share your screen is so that's how you do it. I could not use my microphone, but I showed you the demonstration, so hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.